In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Gmail account step by step. Before we even dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you've ever wondered how you can delete your Gmail account, here's a quick guide. First things first, open up your Google account settings by selecting your Google account up in the top right and hitting manage your Google account here. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select data and privacy and scroll down on this option until you see the ability to download your data. Select this option and then hit deselect all right here and then select mail just so that you do have your mail. You obviously don't have to do this if you don't want to, but this is a good way for you to at least keep your mail. If you do select something like so, hit next step. It's going to ask you how you want to download it. Fill this out here by choosing your destination, your file type, and your file size, and then hit create export down at the bottom to save all your information. But then go back to your data and privacy, and this time scroll down to delete your Google account down here. Select this option, and what you're going to want to do is enter in your password. And once you do enter in your password, scroll down on this page, take these little acknowledgement buttons right here, and then select delete account, and your Gmail is going to be gone. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments section below. It really does help at the channel and lets us know that you want more Gmail content just like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.